This is a Dodge Ram Dayvan, Campervan, Swamper, ex-muscle car style, and is a third-generation van with a 5.2-litre V8 petrol engine. Finished in a stunning metallic purple paint job. This van is so cool, it drives like a car and is so comfortable on trips, and I get so excited just looking at it. Rear-drive van has been around for a long time, 3 decades, in fact, though they were upgraded and redesigned for the 1998 model year. The Ram van is the cargo Dayvan model. It has not been on the road for 8 months. So no MOT, it starts and drives really well, the engine and the automatic gearbox are very good. Swamper-style truck that always turns heads with its all-terrain tires, muscle car paintwork and of course that beautiful V8 rumble. It's a pleasure to listen to. At the rear, when opening the twin back doors, there is the fixed double bed with plenty of storage under the bed. On entering the double side doors, there is a 32-inch flat-screen television. Fully carpeted throughout, keeping it nice and warm. Being left-hand drive isn't a problem, as the height and all-around windows gives you tons of visibility. It may look like a typical high-top camper, but with the 8 cylinders pushing out around 230 brake horsepower, it's got plenty of poke. The number plate is a private registration and does not come with the van. With under 50,000 miles on the clock, she has many happy miles left.